Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about another project, but let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment review purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else because crypto has a risk. So without further ado guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the AU Vera Autonomous Finance Infrastructure for the AI era. It has a network of optimistic L2, 0.005 micro gas fees, 10,000 plus TPS, hyperscale EVM, and a mint to burn tokenomics guys. So the settlement layer for the AI economy has a AU Vera chain built on the Ethereum grade security with layer 2 extreme performance. It has an optimistic rollup, native AI agent framework, and EIP 4844 blob optimization and native account abstraction. It also has every ecosystem engine runs on chain. So Aurora powers 3 cores ecosystem engine, each purpose built to capture a $1 trillion market, 3 engines, 1 AI native chains. So the first engine guys is the ecosystem engine. So the first decentralized prediction market targeting polymarket built on AI verified settlement and zero trust Oracle solution. Number 2 guys is the ecosystem engine. Ideal GPU CPU powered becomes a yield generating assets plug in the AI box start earning AUV. The next one is the AI agents get on-chain identity, autonomous payment rails, and independent economic status for the first time. So this is the AI one guys. Identity on-chain agent registry, agent ID, and also the session key spending limits, gas sponsorship. So the tokenomics of the AU Vera, so the digital gold of the AI era, has a node staking of 65%, 10 years linear release, POS security plus PUOW, ideal compute directed to real AI workloads. User airdrops, so cold start incentives via AI compute, mining, and prediction market participation. It has a 15% and 10% on ecosystem build developers, grants AI backs hardware, subsidies, and liquidity incentives. So the team has a 5% allocation, 12-month cliff, 4-year vesting. And the DAO Treasury has a 5%, the community governance, a research fund, and ecosystem grants. It has a 3 core pillar guys. So the buy to burn, hyper scarcity, protocol level demand. So the buy to burn, diplomacy by protocol design, every on-chain interaction, every swap, every AI agent payment, every cross-chain transfer permanently removes AUB from circulation. It has a hyper scarcity, 2.1 million total tokens, 1/7 the supply of Bitcoin with 65% locked in long-term staking. And also the protocol level demand. Every AI agent payment deepen compute task, prediction market settlement, and cross-chain transfer. So the value accrual flywheel as the AI economy grows, more on-chain activity, faster burn, supply falls, and then the price rises, guys. So this is the structure of the AUB token. So the only chain built for AI native scale. So the dimension of this one's core focus, AI agent plus deepen plus prediction, Plum network modular is RWL2 and Ondo. Finance is INST, the finance treasury, and generic L2 general DeFi guys. With a settlement cost of 0.05 up to 0.10 only, the AI Oracle has a built-in T Oracle, native AA protocol layer agent wallet, and AI agent on-chain core scenario. So it's the only structures where AI agent economy decentralized compute deepen and prediction markets converge on a chain with a decision technical lead in AI microtransaction settlement at scale. So the roadmap of the AU Vera, clear fat delivering value, phase 1 testnet, phase 2 mainnet, and then Web3 ecosystem and the protocol maturity on 2027, guys. So this is the AUV Dev Explorer, guys. You can see all the transaction happening right here. Blockchain, internal transaction, deposit from L1 to L2, withdrawals from L2 to L1, and blockchain, text and bash, top accounts, verified contracts, tokens, and token transfers. So charts and stats, guys, of this AU Vera chain dev stats, guys. Okay, so API available here, and other verified contract and gas tracker, guys. What happens when three of crypto's fastest growing sectors collide? AI agents, DPN, and prediction markets. According to the recent industry projections, these sectors could collectively represent trillions of dollars in future economic activity. And one project is positioning itself right at the center of the convergence, the AU Vera chain. So today we break down the AU Vera chain strategy, its ecosystem design, and why supporters believe it could become a major liquidity and settlement hub for the next crypto cycle. So there are three mega trends: the AI agents, and the DePIN, and the prediction market. Let's talk about the AI agents first. The AI agents market is projected to grow rapidly over the next several years, with autonomous AI systems expected to handle transaction assets, management, and automated decision making. The second one is the DePIN, or decentralized physical infrastructure networks. These sectors connect blockchain incentives with real-world infrastructures like computing power, storage, and wireless networks. Analysis predict massive expansion as decentralized infrastructure become more valuable. And the third is the prediction market. This platform exploded in popularity thanks to political events, sports betting, and AI-driven forecasting tools. Trading volume surged dramatically throughout a 2025. AU Vera chain's thesis is simple. If these industries continue growing, they'll need a blockchain optimized for speed, liquidity, and high frequency transaction. The next one is the Avera's core infrastructure. So Avera, or AU Vera, is building three core pillars to attract liquidity and user. The first, a cross-chain bridge. The project says it's used ZK Plus TSS technology to allow assets from multiple chains to move quickly and securely into the ecosystem. Second one, a native decentralized exchange, or DEX. AU Vera use a VE33 model, a tokenomic structure popularized in DeFi ecosystem. The idea is to reward long-term token lockers with trading fee revenue. And the third is a launchpad for new project. This gives emerging protocols a place to launch directly inside the Avera ecosystem while increasing utility for the native token AUV. So the goal is to create what crypto calls a liquidity flywheel, where more users attract more capital and more capital attracts more application. And the next one, the next big thing is the big play AI plus prediction markets in this project, guys. So, but the most ambitious part of AU Vera's vision is focus on AI-driven finance today, guys. So, the project believes future AI agents will operate like autonomous economic participants with wallets, spending power, and the ability to trade 24/7 across all chains. AU Vera wants to become the settlement layer for the machine economy. At the same time, the chain is heavily targeted prediction markets. So, why? Because prediction markets generate extremely high transaction activity. Every trade, every bet, and every settlement creates on-chain volume. So AU Vera even reference the 2026 World Cup as a potential catalyst for massive traffic growth. If successful, this application could drive huge transaction demand directly into the ecosystem. And then we have the tokenomics strategy. So at the center of the everything is the AUB token. According to the project, AUB is required for gas fees, trading activities, AI agent payments, cross-chain transfers, prediction market intersections, or interaction, guys. So AU Vera also promotes a deflationary model. So part of the token supply is permanently burned through network activity, while VE33 staking mechanism encourages long-term lockups. In theory, the ecosystem grows while circulating supply shrinks. That combination is designed to create upward pressure on the token over time. Of course, like every emerging crypto projects, execution is everything. Adoption, liquidity, security, and a real user activity will ultimately determine whether the vision becomes reality. And to conclude this, guys, Ayuvera chain is making a bold bet. The AI economies, decentralized infrastructure, and prediction markets are all heading toward the same destination. And if that happens, the blockchain powering those interactions could become incredibly valuable. So the question is, will Ayuvera actually capture the momentum, or will competitors move faster? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more deep dives into the future of crypto and AI.